Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. Today I am going to teach you how to fill letter with photo in Canva and how you can adjust the image perfect inside the text. So let's start with the video, and at the end if you like this video hit the like button, subscribe my channel and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva app. So let me start step by step. So first step, we need to take any templates. Okay, you can take any templates from here for your that images for text. Okay, so here I'm taking this presentation option normal. So now we have that blank page. Now what we need to do, just insert your text, go to the text and add the text. I just write my text like netcast only. Okay, now you can resize it like this, and you can also change that font. Okay, and you can also make like letter spacing if you want. Okay, if you one line you can make it letter spacing. If you have multiple lines like two lines, you can make that line spacing. Okay, so just make letter spacing only. Now just increase the size. Now we need to take one shape here. Go to the elements and type the shape. Okay, take this shape or go to the sea wall and take it perfect rectangle shape. Okay, I just take this one. Okay, this shape, you can see this is a round corner. We need to make it perfect corner, like sharp corner. Okay, now just resize this. Okay, you can change that font color, make it white. Okay, and take the position top, sorry, middle, and make it forward. Okay, or you can just right click on it and change the position. Okay, you need to make as a forward. Okay, we have already take, there is a shortcut key you can use. Okay, so now we have shape behind the text, and text we have the at the front. Okay, so now just okay, keep the text very middle, also make that shape very middle. Okay, you can change the position from here and make it middle. Okay, so it will be center and middle, it will be that shape size, position will be changed. Now we have done. Now you can download as a png from here. Just go share and download as a png. There is a one shortcut key in window. If you are using the window, use the your window key, shift key and s. Then you can simply select that area and copy it, add the another page and paste here. Okay, so now this is the image we got. Okay, or otherwise you can simply download as a png. Okay, just download as a png first page. Okay, we have two page, I have two page, so I need to select first page because at first page I have this design. Okay, so I need to download as a png. I just download it. So it is downloading here. Now just come to the second page now, or you can simply keep at first page. I just delete this one. Okay, now go to uploads, and we need to upload that file, png file, which we just downloaded. Just go to the upload file, click on it. Okay, so this is our that png file. I just select it and I just open it. So it start now uploading here. Okay, now you can delete the your existing text or background image. Now take this one. Now this is the image. Okay, now we need to take any image, or you can upload your image from here which you want to put behind the text. Okay, you can upload your own image from here, or you can search from here. So just search for city life or city image. So we have lots of photo here for city of. Okay, so I just take this one. Now just select the city, go to the position, send that back. Okay, now we have that image, and this our background image. So select this image, which is text image, click on bg remover, then that background has been deleted. Now you can just first select your text and make sure it is keep at middle, or you can resize your text like this. Okay, now select the image, resize this like this. Okay, first select that text image and go to the edit. Here come to the effects and select for this one, go to the cherry. Here select that color and make it white as a background. Okay, so now we have that background white color and this text white color. Now you can just keep that text on the image. Okay, if okay, you can resize it, select one by one and resize. Okay, now you can resize that image, or you can also, you can do one thing, select that first text, go to the position, send them back, then image will be come up. Now you can simply resize that image. Okay, okay, like this. Now send it back again. Okay, now make it group. Okay, you can crop it like this. Okay, just make it. Okay, you need to adjust image and text properly. Okay, now select both elements and make it group. Now can minimize maximum size of both at once. Okay, so this is how you can put the text behind the put the image behind the text or into text. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.